Hello everyone, this is Komal from Singapore and welcome to my channel Komal's Vision. Today we are going for the festival Thaipusam. It's a Tamil Hindu festival in Singapore. It's on a really big scale. It's Kawadi goes for this festival. The festival also happens in Malaysia. Let's see today how it's going to be in Singapore. I have a last year's video, but last year's procession I could not complete due to the time restriction. We are going to see today how many temples we can visit and how much I can walk. It's a 4-kilometer long walk. Let me see whether I can complete it or no, or will take some shortcuts. Thaipusam is a festival comes on the day of full moon of this Thai month of the Tamil calendar. Srinivasa Perumallu temple, from here the procession will start. The Kavadis will start from here. The front is always blocked. You have to enter from the back side of the temple. Front is only open for the Kavadis. Also, if you are planning to come here, don't forget to look for the road closures. Let's go see how they are making the Kavadis. This is the front side of the temple and you can see Kavadis have already started. Only Kavadis can come out from here. If you want to enter, you have to enter from the back. Our first Kavadi of the day. More Kavadis are coming from there. Let's go enter in the temple and see how they make the Kavadis. Sure is the hot day in Singapore. Last time it was raining, so atmosphere was quite pleasant, but today it's really hot. I'm entering to the temple. here in the temple, we so many Kavadis they are still making. So many people have already started their procession. It's a lunch time now. Let's me have a prasad. In every Hindu temple, you get prasad. That's the food for everyone. It's always free, and it's like a blessing from the God. Here I have some rice. It's kind of a biryani rice curry, fruits, the juice. I drank my coffee already, and this kind of a buns. So it's for the road.
இடம் தெரியுதா இல்லையா?
Got really beautiful shots here in this temple, and so many Kavadis are there, more are coming. Now I'm going to the Kali Amman temple where they do the namaskar to the Kali Amman temple, some dance there. Let's go see there now. I have made three different videos. In the first video you can see the piercing and how they are assembling Kavadis. In the second video you can see the Kavadi dancing and the procession path. In the third video you can see the Kavadis with the lighting. Watch all those three videos, share them, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. That's it for today's video.